Now let's see how to log into Pharminho website. On the welcome screen, choose how you want to log in. You can either continue with phone number or with email. Let's first try to log in with the phone number. Select your country code, then enter your mobile number. After that, enter your password. If you want Pharminho to remember your login details, tick the Remember Me button. Click on Enter Pharminho. You are now successfully logged in. Now let's log out of this and try to log in with email. Back to home screen. Click Continue with email. Enter your email. Now enter your password. Click Enter Pharminho. That's it. You are now successfully logged in.